name is Mitch Lacey. I want to tell you about the Certified Scrum Product Owner class that I teach through the Scrum Alliance. First, it builds upon the knowledge that you already have in using Scrum, foundation, the framework, the roles, and it expands on how to be a great product owner. I will teach you things like how to manage your product backlog more effectively, how to communicate with your customers and stakeholders and when to communicate them and set expectations, how to manage budget, roadmaps, release plans, and how to extract requirements and user stories out of the heads of your customers when they say that they want something, how you can get out to understand what they mean. We look at a variety of industry case studies, and we have ample time for questions and answers. So I look forward to seeing you in my Certified Scrum Product Owner class from the Scrum Alliance soon.